Hello everyone, I am Dhwani Desai, a physiotherapist from Mumbai. Whenever encountered with any clinical question in my practice, I used to always quickly search for an article on my question, but always found it difficult to know the value of the article I was reading, as I couldn't understand the statistics part that well. And that's when I came across Prakash sir's lecture webinar, that is how to read a research article, and I immediately signed up for it. The best part about the webinar was that it was not a back to back 2 days lecture where just information is bombarded to you, but rather it was spaced out over a period of 2 weeks, where before every week the information or the material, the research, the content was given to you, and you had the time and the chance to go through it at your leisure, at your space. You could note down the doubts whatever you have. You could use the material to practice reading the article, and then whatever doubts you had would be taken up over discussion, over actual discussions with sir. And the discussion group was also kept short, so that everyone's doubt could be addressed, and examples could be taken to understand what the topic was going to be discussed that day. The best part about the webinar was that I learned my takeaway message was, not every article needs our attention, and not every article which might solve your query is worth reading. So to identify which articles to read, which ones to not in detail, by just going over the abstract, was the most important thing that I learned from the webinar. And the I liked the concept of the webinar and the way it was taken, and I hope to take part in such further webinars if taken by Dr. Prakash. Thank you.